The House of Mystery. I lived some time ago in a corner and very quiet neighborhood. Although the house next to me was a bit mysterious. At night you could hear crying noises and sometimes shadows walked from one side to the other. Two black cats were also walking on the roof. The most mysterious thing about the house is that no one lived there. I came to dream that they were just them in my head and that in really none of these things happened. They told me that in that house they keep all the that one day belongs to their owners. I want to tell you about what happened to me another day and that caused me a lot of fear. In the mysterious house, the door opened and closed. I thought it was someone who needed enter, but it was not like that. Maybe I was, or maybe the house that it was haunted. You may think that I made up this whole story, but it's real and the story doesn't stop here. I am going to tell you about that day I decided to go in and look inside it to find what was beginning all this mysterious. The moment I entered the house, there was a very loud sound that came from the kitchen. Is having a plate that fell on the floor. So I ran out and decided to tell my mom. She did believe me. So I decided to tell my best friend Luna. I knew her from kindergarten. Luna is a very happy and funny girl. She did believe me. For this reason, I decided to tell you my history.